Hey all, I was thinking of doing a stream today on Black boys' low reading proficiency from a scholarly perspective, but I'm going to do that later. I'm about to go see Across the Spider-Verse and to unplug. And I'm going to unplug from YouTube today. There's just a lot going on, whether it's Auntie, RLP, the Prince of Pan-Africanism, um, AI, Ukraine, the Titan, submersible. There's just a lot going on, and sometimes you need to unplug. So enjoy the rest of your Sunday and look out for that stream coming up soon. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and also smash that like button.